So now we have to add the app icon. So I have added an image here. So we have to add the path to the pubspec YAML. So see, I have added the path here. Let's give the pubget. So this is the Flutter launcher icons package. Uh, we have to add this package to our project, and we have to run the following commands. So let's add the package. So here flutter underscore launcher underscore icons. Just add this, and before this, just add the flutter underscore icons and Android launcher icons. Here we have to add the image path of the icon. So now let's give the pubget. We have to run the command pubget and then flutter run launcher icons. We gave the pubget. Let's go to the terminal. Let's run this command. So if we see this, we have got the flutter icons. After executing this, we will get the gift icon. So let's build the app. Let's see the icon. There it is. See, now we have changed the icon, right? So thank you for watching and keep support our channel. Thank you.